Hey everyone, welcome back to GearStorm, the channel where we break down the most exciting cars hitting the road. Today we're diving into the 2026 BMW M2, a compact powerhouse that has quickly become one of the most beloved modern performance cars. This latest version sharpens everything: the design, the tech, and of course, the raw driving performance that makes an M car so special. Let's get into it. From the front, the 2026 M2 delivers a bold, aggressive stance that instantly communicates its intentions. The kidney grills are slightly more refined compared to its predecessor, sitting wider and lower to give the car a planted look. Flanking them are angular LED headlights with BM's signature DRL design, giving it a sharp and modern glare. The front bumper is sculpted with large air intakes to feed the turbocharged engine and cool the brakes, while a subtle front splitter hints at the track-ready nature of this car. It's compact, muscular, and instantly recognizable as a true M. Moving to the side profile, the M2 keeps that perfect coupe shape: short wheelbase, wide arches, and a stance that screams agility. The flared fenders house lightweight 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires, with big M brakes visible behind them. The side skirts are sculpted for aerodynamics, and the roofline flows cleanly into a short rear deck. BMW offers the car in a mix of bold colors, including some exclusive M finishes that highlight its curves and sharp edges. Overall, it's a design that blends classic coupe proportions with modern aggression. Step inside, and the cabin is a mix of technology and driver-focused detail. The digital curved display dominates the dashboard, combining the gauge cluster and infotainment screen into one sleek unit powered by BMW's iDrive 9 system. It's fast, intuitive, and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The steering wheel is thick and wrapped in leather with M stitching, while the sport seats are heavily bolstered yet comfortable for daily driving, available in Alcantara or high-quality leather. Carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and a minimalist layout all add to the performance-oriented luxury vibe. Around the back, the M2 shows off quad exhaust tips that deliver an aggressive soundtrack, paired with a sculpted diffuser and slim LED taillights. The trunk lid features a subtle lip spoiler that adds both style and downforce. From the rear, it looks wider and lower than before, emphasizing its athletic stance. Now to performance, the heart of the M2. The 2026 model packs a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six producing 473 horsepower, with an optional performance pack pushing it closer to 500. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic, this car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. Rear-wheel drive keeps it pure, with adaptive suspension and active M differential ensuring precise handling whether you're carving mountain roads or hitting the track. It's small, agile, and a blast to drive, the essence of a true M car. Pricing for the 2026 BMW M2 starts around $65,000, making it one of the best values in the high-performance coupe segment. With its mix of everyday usability and thrilling performance, it's easy to see why enthusiasts consider the M2 the sweet spot of the BMW M lineup. That's the 2026 BMW M2, compact, powerful, and unapologetically fun. Would you take this over something like the Audi RS3 or Mercedes-AMG CLA 45? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to GearStorm for more reviews of cars that bring driving excitement to the next level.